Today I'm going to show you how to combine Figma and Google Slides to design professional presentations step by step so you can create beautiful slides in Figma and bring them into Google Slides with far less manual work. This is a great workflow if you want more control over layout, branding, spacing, and design quality for moving your presentation into a tool that's easier to present, share, and collaborate in. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is to design in Figma first. Open Figma and create a new file for your presentation. Now, set your frame size to standard presentation dimensions, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This gives you the classic widescreen 16 by 9 slide format that works well for most presentations, meetings, and pitch decks. Once your canvas is set up, start building your slides one by one. The best practice here is to organize each slide as a separate top-level frame. That means every slide should live as its own frame in a clear, sequential order, so your presentation stays easy to manage. For example, keep your title slide first, followed by your agenda, content slides, charts, and your final closing slide. This structure helps keep everything clean inside Figma, and it also makes exporting much easier later. As you design, try to keep consistent typography, alignment, spacing, and brand colors across all your frames. You want the presentation to feel polished and professional, not just visually interesting. A good tip is to use reusable components for things like headers, footers, icons, and buttons if your presentation has repeated design elements. That can save time and keep your slides looking consistent. Once your Figma design is ready, the next step is to transfer it using export plugins. In Figma, you'll want to use a specialized community tool such as Pitchdeck Presentation Studio or the .PPTX export design for Google Slides plugin. These tools are designed to help convert your frames into a format that can move into presentation software more smoothly. Install the plugin if you haven't already, then run it from within your Figma file. Select the frames you want to export and make sure the plugin is reading them in the correct order. This is important because the order of your frames will usually determine the order of your slides after export. Next, export your Figma design as a PPTX file. Depending on the plugin you use, this may create an editable PowerPoint file or a high-fidelity export that preserves the visual layout as closely as possible. After the export finishes, save the .PPTX file to your computer so it's ready to import into Google Slides. Now move over to Google Slides. Open Google Slides in your browser and from the menu choose File, then Open or File, then Import Slides, depending on the workflow you prefer. Upload the .PPTX file you generated from Figma. Google Slides will process the file and bring in your presentation slides. Once the import is complete, review each slide carefully to make sure the spacing, fonts, images, and layout all transferred correctly. In some cases, you may need to make small adjustments after import, especially if the design included advanced effects, custom fonts, or complex positioning. That's totally normal, and a few quick tweaks can usually get everything looking polished. At this point, your Figma created presentation is now inside Google Slides, where you can collaborate with others, present online, and continue editing easily. This workflow gives you the best of both worlds: Figma for design flexibility and Google Slides for convenience and sharing. If you want a more professional presentation process, this is one of the smartest ways to work. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials on design tools, presentation workflows, or automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.